Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add payment methods to your Epic Games account. This will help you make purchases for games like Fortnite or any other title available on the Epic Games Store. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website at epicgames.com. Once the website loads, log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, hover your mouse over your username in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, click on the option labeled Account. This will take you to your account settings page. By default, you will land on the General Settings tab. On the left-hand side menu, look for the Payments tab and click on it. Once you open the Payments section, you will see a list of any payment methods already added to your account. If you haven't added any payment methods yet, the page will be empty. You'll also see the available options you can add. These usually include credit or debit cards and PayPal, depending on your country. In some regions, additional payment options may appear, or you may see fewer options depending on what is supported locally. To add a credit or debit card, click on the Credit Card option. A form will appear asking for your card number, the expiration month and year, and the CVC or security code. Fill in all the required information carefully and then click on Save. Once you've saved the information, your card will be added to your Epic Games account. This allows you to quickly make purchases without needing to re-enter payment details every time. If you want to add a PayPal account instead, select the PayPal option and follow the instructions. You'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Sign in and approve the connection between your PayPal and Epic Games accounts. After that, your PayPal account will also appear as a saved payment method. After adding your preferred payment method, you can use it for purchasing games, in-game items, or other content from the Epic Games Store. That's how you add a payment method to your Epic Games account. Thank you for watching.